Hello nature lovers, welcome to the Why Things channel. Today, we're diving into one of nature's most interesting survival strategies: why do some animals hibernate? In the middle of winter, why do some animals sleep, don't eat, or even seem to almost stop breathing for months on end? Is it laziness or an incredible superpower? In this video, we'll discover the scientific secrets of hibernation, which animals use this strategy, how they survive, and their role in nature. If you're ready, let's embark on this icy yet cozy journey. 1. What is hibernation? Nature's energy-saving mode. Hibernation is an incredible survival strategy that some animals use to save energy during the cold winter months. Scientifically known as hibernation, it means that animals put their metabolism into a standby mode. During this process, heart rates, respiratory rates, and body temperatures drop dramatically. For example, a ground squirrel's heart rate can drop from 200 to 5 beats per minute, and its body temperature can drop from 37 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius. So why are they slowing down so much? Because in winter, food is scarce, the weather is cold, and survival is difficult. Hibernation allows animals to use their energy resources, especially the fat they store in summer and autumn, efficiently. For example, a bear can survive for months on the fat it stores during hibernation, and does not even need to eat or go to the toilet during this period. It's like nature's energy management lesson. 2. Which animals hibernate? Hibernation is seen in different groups of animals, but each of them uses this strategy in its own unique way. Here are a few examples. Mammals, bears, bats, porcupines, and ground squirrels are the best-known hibernators. Bears practice light hibernation, meaning that they do not fall into a complete deep sleep and may wake up occasionally. Bats are energy champions, reducing their metabolic rate by up to 98%. Reptiles and amphibians, some frogs and snakes perform a type of cold-blooded hibernation called brumation. For example, tree frogs avoid freezing by producing antifreeze-like chemicals in their bodies. Insects, ladybirds, and some butterflies hibernate en masse. For example, ladybirds take shelter under rocks or in the bark of trees. Each animal has developed a hibernation method that suits its environment and physiology. Arctic ground squirrels, for example, can withstand body temperatures down to -3 degrees Celsius, a record for mammals. This diversity shows how creative nature is. 3. What triggers hibernation? Hibernation is triggered by a combination of environmental and biological factors. Colder weather, shorter days, and food shortages activate animals' internal clocks. Hormones such as melatonin send signals that trigger hibernation. Ground squirrels, for example, retreat to their burrows and slow down their metabolism when food is scarce in the fall. Genetic factors also play a big role. Hibernation is an evolutionary adaptation. Over millions of years, animals that hibernate have survived better and passed this trait down through generations. An interesting detail: some animals enter short periods of sleep, called torpor. For example, hummingbirds perform a mini hibernation by lowering their metabolism at night. This is a small but effective version of energy conservation. 4. Ecological and scientific importance. Hibernation is critical not only for animals, but also for the ecosystem. For example, bears stop hunting in winter, which increases the chances of survival for other species, such as deer. Thus, a balance is maintained in nature. Furthermore, hibernation regulates energy cycles. Animals wake up in the spring to rejoin the ecosystem. The scientific world is researching hibernation for humanity. For example, NASA plans to save energy by slowing down the metabolism of astronauts on long space journeys. In medicine, hibernation techniques could be used to preserve tissue during heart surgery or organ transplants. Hibernation is full of incredible lessons that nature can teach us. The fascinating world of hibernation. To survive the cold and harsh winter months, some animals show a superpower by slowing down their metabolism. From bears to frogs, from bats to ladybugs, each one practices nature's art of survival in its own way. Hibernation is not just sleep, it is a miracle where evolution, ecosystem, and science intersect. Which animal's hibernation do you think is the most interesting? Or what other secrets of nature would you like to discover? Share in the comments, we'd love to know. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next why question. Keep in touch with nature, maybe one day you will witness an animal hibernating.